I'm gonna see who wants a fidget trade with
Anybody
me.
want to fidget trade my gummy bear needle?
Oh, I would.
It's like the sugar ones.
I will trade you the popsicle needle.
That's good, but can you add one?
Yeah, I'll add this basketball needle.
Can you take out these two with the pickle and then I'll accept?
Yeah. Here's the pickle.
Accept.
I accept. She freaking scammed me, guys. Okay, let's see if she wants to trade again. Okay, I'm gonna see if she wants to trade again. I'm trading this really rare basketball needle.
I only have a pickle.
And I'll trade the popsicle.
I guess I'll put down my pickle. Can you add one thing?
Yeah,
I accept.
I accept.
Yes. I got the basketball needle.
I got the pickle, guys.
But it's a really good dude. And then
Guys, she scammed me. Look at it.
that's RMS.
Okay, well, that's all, guys. Bye.